Okay. Hello, Mr. Rachel. Ah, okay. This hopper is 3.8. This hopper is 3.8 tons, so it can lift up, no problem. Can go up 4.5 meter, no problem. Yep. Yes. Hello, dear friend. Now I plan to make an introduction for offload the four-wheel, the loader, the forklift. So normally it can be used in a different area of the industrial, like the project or the construction places. This particular one can load 4 tons. Can load 4 tons. Here's the forks for the forklift, and with the side moving, with the side moving, like this one, is the hydraulic cylinder. And the lifting height can be go up to 4.5 meters. And please pay attention to the tires. You can see the tires we take use is half solid. We call it half solid tires. It's more strong, and the life can be more longer than the normal tires. Because here you see, it's more deep. It's more deep. The padding is more deep. So the wear is more wearing. And you can see the bridge. The bridge steel we take use is a magnet. It's magnet steel. So the quality is more fine. It's more good. As the requirements from our customer, you see we customize the extra. You see the oil pipe waves. So in the future, if you plan to redesign or promote this forklift, like to clamp the blocks with the forks, you can connect the oil pipe to this one. This forklift can load 4 tons to be 4.5 meters height. and we enlarge the counter width. We enlarge the counter width so it can be available to load 4 tons. So that means if you cannot load the 4 tons, you can add another maybe 200 kilograms of the counter width up here. You can see now it's forklift, off-road 4-wheel forklift. Very nice, very beautiful. And I'm opening this and try to introduce the engine, the heart of this forklift. And other suppliers normally we use 37 kilowatts of the engine, but now we enlarge the power of the engine to be 42 kilowatts. 42 kilowatts. This one starter and the motor. This one is cylinder. It's the cover of the cylinder. I will show you. And we equipped with a small steering. The wheel is more easier for you to control and handle. There are four different speed. No matter you want to go forward, there are four different speed, and go back also there are four. But with this, and the seat is very comfortable. This seat is very comfortable. Yep. With the fans, we are producing the cool air. And just like this kind of cylinder, hydraulic cylinder, we take use the standard grid for the Heli or Hongcha forklift. And the total weight of this machine is more than 4 tons. And we take use the technology of the wheel side reduction bridge. It is easy to be run over on the slope. It's not easy. So compared with the others forklift, the forklift is easy to be rolled over on the slope, but this forklift can be driven very balanceable. Equipped with the four-wheel weave. You see? 4-speed forward and reverse. and continuously the variable automatic transmission. It's automatic transmission. It's the lights. This one is the transmission, automatic transmission. The air filter, the starter is the motor producing electricity. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.